Basic fitting tool. Bench vise. Vices are a device commonly used for holding the workpieces for filing, sawing, threading, and other hand operations. They are available in different types. When the vise handle is turned in a clockwise direction, the moving jaw forces the work against the fixed jaw. The greater the pressure applied to the handle, the tighter is the work held. Parts of bench vise includes fixed jaw, movable jaw, hard jaw, spindle, handle, box nut and spring. The most of the body of the vise is made of cast iron or cast steel. Hard jaws are hardened steel plates with serrations to ensure better gripping of the work are fixed on the faces of the two jaws. The jaws manufactured shall comply to BS 4659:1989 standard. The jaws must be easily replaceable. Fixed jaw is the part of vise that doesn't move. This fixed jaw includes the largest part of the vise, including the base that's attached to the bench or table. Movable jaw is the part of the vise that moves. It attaches with the slide. This is the part of the vise that moves when the handle is turned, applying the pressure. The part which is responsible for movement of slide and movable jaw is bench vise screw. The function of vise screw of bench vise is to give the movement of movable jaw to and fro direction. This is used for tightening the workpiece in fixed and movable jaws. The material used shall be of steel grade SAE 3140 stainless steel. The threads on vise screw are Acme threads. Vices are specified by the maximum width that can be held or the maximum opening between the jaws, varying from 75 mm to 300 mm. Commonly used are 100 mm, 125 mm, 150 mm and so on. More commonly, unit inches used to indicate the size of the vise. Usually there are 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10 and 12 inches. In this video, we learned about basic operating principle of a bench vise.